Hey everybody, it's Alex. I'm coming at you live from the Dremel 3D45, and I'm about to explain why I really love this printer and using it. I just got it a few days ago. I've never used a Dremel printer before, and I'm a huge fan of using them. Really easy to learn, really easy to operate. We're going to dive in just now.
Okay, now this isn't an unboxing video. This is more of just my overall thoughts on Dremel 3D printing. I use the 3D45, but this is similar to every other Dremel printer and how they operate with the software and the touchscreen interface. So here's my thoughts just on Dremel printing. Everything that's included in the kit is shown right here. It's just your basics, everything you're going to need, a couple rolls of filament, and a really handy get started guide. Just a few simple steps to get up and running, and they did include a little nozzle unclogger and a micro USB drive. It's really great what's on the USB drive, but I'll get to that in a minute. What's really nice about Dremel products is this RFID scanning that they use for the filament. So when you load up the filament, it's automatically going to detect what kind of filament you're using, set the heat settings, set the bed settings, everything's going to be done for you. So you're all set, ready to print. And now the next step is just leveling the bed. But it actually makes that really simple as well. So it tells you exactly how much to turn the knobs, and then as soon as you're done, it just lets you know that you're all set and the build plate is level, and then it takes you to your main screen. You hit build, and you have two different options. You can print from your USB stick, or the printer also has internal memory as well. Once you're in the build menu, you can see little previews of what you're going to be printing. And when you pick an actual model, it's going to show you exactly how long it's going to take to print, and then you can choose to build it or not. So now our printer is humming away, nice and easy. You see a thin layer of filament, the raft at the bottom. That comes automatic on your print. You can choose to remove that if you'd like, but it peels off very easily at the end of the print, and you get a really nice quality, really nice finish to it. But if you did want to make a custom file or upload your own designs, you can see on the micro USB stick that's included that any G-code file, any G Dremel file will run on the Dremel printer, and they include their own Dremel 3D slicer program. You can access this online from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection, but there is a standalone program as well. So we fire up the Dremel Digilab. It's really similar to a Cura or any other open source slicers that you might be familiar with if you have used 3D printers before. So the first step is just setting the printer that you're using specifically. That way it knows what bed size you're available. So we go to Add Printer at the top right, and there's a few custom sets for the different Dremel units. But we can exit out of this. Next in the top left is our open file menu. So we're just going to go ahead and pick out a fun model. It's pretty easy to switch around the view and look at your different models, move them around, scale them up, rotate them, things like that. You can switch up the print settings, but you shouldn't have to if you're just doing a basic print right off the bat. And then once you're ready, you just hit prepare. And then it is just going to slice your specific file and give you a little more pertinent information about how long it's going to take and how much filament is going to be used. So now we see that information gets updated right at the bottom. Looks a little cut off, but you can see that it tells you just exactly how long the print's going to take, how much it's going to use. You can also connect through Wi-Fi, or you can upload it as a file through your USB stick. And that's how you have your custom prints. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully you learned a little bit about how Dremel 3D printers work, all the bells and whistles that are involved with them. They're a really fantastic printer for anyone that's getting started out using 3D printing and is not sure where to start. There's a lot of different models to pick from as well. And if you have any more questions about 3D printing, you can always go check out our website where we have all of our different models and the different accessories, everything that comes with them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.